How to delete Microsoft account permanently. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up a web browser, and here you want to search for Delete Microsoft Account. Once you're here, you want to click on this website, How to Close Your Microsoft Account. Once you click on it, you want to go through all of this, and then at the bottom click on Continue with Closing Your Account. So here it's going to show you some more information about what's going to happen if you close your Microsoft account. You simply want to click on Continue with Closing Your Account. Then you're going to find this link right here, Close Your Account. Click on that. Now for this, you obviously have to be logged into your Microsoft account first, so go ahead and do that. So you have to enter your verification code here as well. Now here you need to select the number of days before your Microsoft account is permanently closed. I have selected 30 days. Then after this, here you need to tick all of these boxes. So it's just going to say what's going to happen once you close your Microsoft account, like you'll lose access to the sites and services. Now here you need to select the reason. I have selected I don't need this account anymore, and now click on Mark Account for Closure. Once you click on it, it's going to give you 30 days to recover your account, and if you don't do that, after 30 days, this account will be permanently closed. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.